Yo, 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 what's really good, people? Welcome back. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change in between 2017 and 2019 Kia Sportage. Alright, so stay tuned. Holla at your boy, subscribe, alright? Hit the join, get the membership, join the channel. Yeah, let's get it. Oh, like, share, and comment. Alright, anything you want to share about this car, you like it, you stuck with it, all that. I'm gonna show you how to reset the life, the oil life. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change. Okay, so let's get it. Bro. Yeah. Come over here. This is how you open the hood. All right. Come over here. There's the latch right there. Bow on your face. You're gonna have to use the kickstand, all right? So here's the oil cap, engine oil cap. It's gonna tell you what kind of oil it takes. It says 5W20, that's regular oil. Windshield fluid reservoir, coolant reservoir, oil dipstick, so you can measure the oil. Air intake, air filter, motherboard, fuse box, brake fluid reservoir, master cylinder, battery right below the intake. All right, let's get it. This is 2018 though, but you can do the same between 2017 and 2019. This is 2.4 liter. All right, let's go at the bottom. Let's go to the bottom and drain the oil. Pulse. All right, with a 17 millimeter socket. See it right there. All right. 17 millimeter socket. All right, that's all you need. Okay, now we're gonna break it loose. Sometimes it gets too hard here. There you go. There you go. Just get your bucket, whatever you have. You know what I'm saying? Drain this oil, pulse. For the hot minute. Alright. Because a lot of people are like, yo, you don't let it drain enough and this and that, blah blah. Alright, so hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, do that. You know what I'm saying, if you want to support the channel, hit the thanks button right below this video. Okay, you're gonna see the heart, and you click on that, it's like buying a tip. Okay, and you go straight to the channel. All right. Other than that, I want to give shout outs to the whole community, the whole supporters, everybody that support the channel. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. All right. All right. I'm gonna proceed to do the oil filter, which is right here. Okay. I probably can remove it. I could remove it with my hand. Let's see. If you cannot do it with your hand, I'm gonna show you the tool. All right. Extension. See the tool extension, you know what I'm saying? You can get it in Amazon. All right. I'm gonna lower my bucket a little bit, so give me some space. I'll come through here. Okay. There you go. Don't remove the whole thing. Let it drain. All right. You see how it's draining? Okay. You see how it's draining? All right. Now after that, I'm gonna go through with a rag, just so I don't get oil in my hand. I'm saying, even though I have gloves. It's pretty dark, but that's what happens. You see where the oil filter sits? I'm gonna wipe it. All right. I'm gonna use the 61334. That's the part number for the parts master oil filter. Part number. All right. Parts master is the name of the filter. The number is 61334. Okay, I'm gonna lube it though. Okay, I'm gonna lube it with the same oil and put it back. Alright. Just tight it by hand though. You don't need to use any tool. You don't want to damage the oil filter because you might puncture it. You might make a hole. You might go through the oil filter, and then you're gonna be leaking oil, and you don't want that. Just tight it by hand, alright? As much as you can by hand, okay? Now, I'm gonna grab the you see, drain all the oil. I'm gonna put the oil drain plug back. Okay. Now I'm gonna tie it with the 17mm socket. Okay. Okay. There you go. Let's go to the top and pour the new oil. All right. Okay, your funnel. This thing is gonna take 5.1 quarts of 5W20. Make sure it doesn't overflow at the bottom. Okay. Pour the oil slowly. All right. All right, I'm gonna put the engine oil cap back, push this in, start the car, so we can let the oil go through the engine, the whole system, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm gonna do now. This car has only 59,000 miles. Okay. In the meanwhile, you can check the tires, top off the fluids and all that. The coolant looks nice. The coolant reservoir looks nice. Brake fluid, alright. Okay, so I'm gonna let it I'm gonna let the engine idle for some time. You know what I'm saying? Like I want to say a minute. Should be enough. Then I'm gonna stop the engine, shut it down, pull out the oil dipstick, let the oil drip, fall into the oil pan for a hot minute. So you take a good measure of the oil. I'm gonna check it. What is that? Oops, my bad. It should be right here. You see it? Right there. Right here. What it says F, full. This is L, low. It should be right here. You see it? Gucci. We Gucci, right? That's how we do. Alright. 5 quarts or 5.1. It's up to you. Okay. Pretty much. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life, okay? The car is running right now. You can do it while it's running, like it is right now. Or do it with the, or do it when it's in the accessory option, okay? Which is like this, okay? Not sure. 1, 2. You can do it right there too. I'm gonna do it while it's running, okay? Okay, you're gonna see that message. All right, you wanna get it going, right? You're gonna operate that with this. You're gonna go through the menu until you are here in the car thing. You're gonna see that. If you wanna get that thing away, just press OK. You're gonna see that back, and it tells you right there, hold OK to reset. All right, press OK to get that, take it away. Then press OK, press it and hold it. There it is. All right, this one, press it and hold it. All right, that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to support the channel. Do that for, you know, the vibes. Shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the fans, the subscribers, the new viewers. Subscribe now, join, get your membership. Shout outs to everybody, the haters too. Keep hating, all right? I love you too. And that's it. Shout outs to the whole world. And you know where to find me. I'm gonna leave it right here. Holla at your boy. I still,